Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world are observing the Jammu Martyrs Day today to reiterate their resolve to carry on the Martyrs' mission till they achieve their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, hundreds of thousands of Kashmiris were martyred by the forces of Dogra Maharaja Hari Singh, Indian Army and Hindutva fanatics in different parts of the Jammu region while they were migrating to Pakistan during the first week of November in 1947. A conference was held at the office of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter in Islamabad today in connection with the martyrdom anniversary of the Jammu Martyrs. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC AJK chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar chaired the conference, while it was attended by Sardar Yaqub, former President and Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir, as a chief guest. Modi regime has removed 55 local employees from service in the occupied Kashmir on the charge of supporting pro-freedom activities. According to Kashmir Media Service, this was announced by none other than the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha himself during an event in New Delhi. Jailed All Parties Hurriyat Conference leadership paying rich tribute to the martyrs of the Jammu massacre on their martyrdom anniversary has said that the Kashmiri people will accomplish the mission of their martyrs at all costs. Kashmiris across the world observe 6 November as the Jammu Martyrs Day to commemorate the martyrdom anniversary of these martyrs. Political experts and analysts have said that India has stepped up its violence, military and state terrorism in occupied Kashmir to intimidate the Kashmiris into submission. According to Kashmir Media Service, the experts and analysts in their interviews and statements in Srinagar said the Kashmiris are caught in daily cordons, searches, repressions and torture in the occupied territory. Modi-led Indian regime has come up with a plan to equip its police in the occupied Kashmir with GPS tracker anklets for monitoring them. According to Kashmir Media Service, as the Modi regime sees every Kashmiri individual a freedom fighter or a supporter of the freedom struggle, it has therefore equipped its police GPS tracker anklets to be monitored and tracks their movements in the occupied territory. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti expressed regret on former Director General of the Police Dilbagh Singh remarks that the situation is normal in the occupied Kashmir and there was no collateral damage in the last 4 years. According to Kashmir Media Service, talking to the media persons in the Ganderbal district, Mufti said, "I regret that the former DGP recently announced proudly that the situation in Jammu and Kashmir is normal."